The YTF Jubrajnagar Block Committee has alleged massive corruption and misappropriation of public funds under the MGNREGA scheme at the Madhuban Gram Panchayat. Addressing the media, the youth wing of Tipra Motha exposed severe irregularities in how development projects are being executed on the ground. The organization claimed that ghost workers are being used to siphon off government money, sparking widespread tension and public outrage across the locality.
According to the YTF leadership, the ongoing MGNREGA work in Madhuban Gram Panchayat is marred by systematic fraud. The organization alleged that while only 6 to 7 laborers are actually working at the site, master roles are being generated for 20 to 30 people. To cover up the discrepancy during audits or monitoring, additional individuals are reportedly gathered at the site solely to pose for official photographs before being dismissed. The youth body termed this deliberate conspiracy to embezzle public funds meant for rural employment. Seeking immediate clarification on the financial discrepancies, YTF members directly confronted the Panchayat Secretary and the MGNREGA master of Madhuban Gram Panchayat.
Chini je bigoto panchayat 8 বছর যাবত কোনো তাকব মানে ইলেক্টেড মেম্বার করিখ এই মেম্বার করিনি বাগৈ যে বিগত 8 বছর পঞ্চায়েতে ঘোটালা যে কাম চলে মানে আবনি বিষয় চং চিনি পঞ্চায়েত সেক্রেটারি কিছু কক সুংফাইকা ओंखाय कक सुंमाने बिसिंति जों बन सुंखा जे तब बर्तमान जे रेगा काम जे माने विदाउट काम अंगना सकां जे मास्टर अखरि फैजाक ओंखाय अबन बगे जों किसा जिआरएस रेगा मास्टर जों सुंखा ओंखाय ताइ जों कक सुंलायखा चिनि सेक्रेटारि न जों थांनाय जे 8 बोसोरनि जे पीडीएफ फान्ड ब खाता यूज खलायखा एफएफसी फान्ड ब खाता यूज खलायखा ओंखाय अबसोना सेक्रेटारि कोनो रिपोर्ट इ मानलिया ओंखाय जों सेक्रेटारि टाइप जों सुंनाय फायनाय बेसकांनि दिनो ओंखाय जों नायानो अबनो तामु सालाय.
The YTF Jubrajnagar Block Committee has demanded an immediate, impartial inquiry into the Madhuban Village Council's financial records and called for strict legal action against the corrupt officials and representatives involved in the manipulation. Pure Report, Chini, Khorang.